What's up, guys? Alright, it's probably the first time I'm really gonna talk about anything, so talking about my truck. I got a 81 C10. I bought it off a fella that was unfortunate enough to have to let it go. It had 69,000 miles on it when I bought it. It had a 250 straight six in it. Since then, I put a TBI carb swap 350 in there. They're dependable, known to go all kinds of miles. Turbo 400. Old lady was nice enough to buy me this seat and stuff, the cover, and she got me steering wheel cover. I like that a lot. Everybody said my truck was too loud, blah blah blah. I'm going to get a ticket, so made me some baffles, if you will. Little hose clamp. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. That's what happens when you're bored and you ain't got nothing to work on. But I'll give her a lick here and let you hear it. Took me 2 years to get it to this point. I'm pretty happy with it. There's a couple things I want to do still. Change the serpentine setup to V-belts. Get a nice rear end under it. It's open diff, so one wheel peels. Saves on tires, I reckon. Going to get some new speakers eventually. But that's my truck.